Welcome to another quick tech tip with EdTech and Howard Infec. This video is going to be about editing and formatting options in a Google Sheet. There's lots of editing and formatting options in a Google Sheet, and I just wanted to share a few with you. For instance, to enlarge columns, to enlarge rows, you just click between them and you can drag and drop. If information is not fitting within a cell and you would like it to, you can do what's called wrap text wrapping, and wrap it within the cell. You just click on the box, head to text wrapping, and choose wrap. If you're wanting your boxes to be aligned and you want more than one to work on that alignment, you can click, hold, and drag, and you have your alignment buttons so that maybe you want to center things. If you want them to look universal and kind of the same. So lots of options there. You can also color your boxes to make them stand out. Here's the fill color here. And so you can give things fill colors. You can change font colors. You can also come in and work on the size and also the font style. So lots of formatting and editing options that are available. There's also a few other formatting options that you can do, such as a date and time. You can select that under Format and Numbers and choose whether you want a date, a time, or both with date and time. You've also got currency that you can choose from under Format and Numbers, and you have currency where it will have the decimal, or you can do a rounded currency. And then there's also some other conditional formatting that you can do. So I'm going to select a group of cells here and just click, hold, and drag on this little square icon in the bottom. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. You can see I've got my range of cells here selected, and I'm going to go down and choose that if it is a number or a value that is greater than 89, we're going to make sure that those cells turn green. I can add another rule here and say that if it is between 88 and let's say 70, these are going to be yellow. I can add one more rule to say that if it is below or less than, sorry, if it's less than 70, it will turn red. And then I just click done, and you can see that as I type in the numbers, they turn different colors depending on the conditional formatting. So just some options that you have working with information and data in your spreadsheet.